Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Now here in Australia things are definitely starting to cool down. It's that time of year where you crave warm and cozy comfort food. So what could be more perfect than apple crumble? Now for this recipe I like to use a mixture of sweet and tart apples, so I'm using Granny Smith and Gala. Now I normally use 3 of each type of apple, but because these Galas are quite small, I'll use 4. So all you need to do is peel and thinly slice up each of the apples. But of course you can cut them into chunks if you prefer. To the apples we're going to add in the lemon juice, and with clean hands we're going to give that a good mix till all the apples are coated. To our apples we're then going to add in the sugar, the maple syrup, the cinnamon, the ginger, the nutmeg, and the cornstarch. Then give that a good mix together until everything is well combined and the apples are well coated. Now this is optional, but I like to add in a few chopped up dates. Then give them a good mix through. We're then going to pour our apple mixture into a baking dish that's been slightly greased. I like to try and flatten them down in layers as you add them in. We're then going to set that to one side and make the crumble. Into a bowl we're going to add in the oats, the flour, the almond meal, the coconut, the nuts, the cinnamon, the sugar, and finally the melted butter, giving it a good mix to combine. Then I like to go in with clean hands and give it a good mix just to get rid of any clumps. Then all we need to do is sprinkle our crumble over the top of our apples. Make sure that the mixture is evenly covering the apples. Then gently press down with your hands to make sure that it's nice and compact. We're then going to pop that into the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. You should see it start to bubble around the sides, the apples should be tender and the top golden brown. Once it's out of the oven, let it sit to one side for at least 20 minutes to settle, and then it's ready to serve. Now you can serve it up with either cream or ice cream. Now this is one of my favourite ice creams, the Coconut Bliss Ginger Cookie Caramel. Place a nice scoop on the top and then you are ready to enjoy. Yum! It's the ultimate comfort food, it's so good. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I make videos every single Monday. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!